Found an EJL file from an Epson printer setup? This is a job log from Epson Printing Systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Epson job log files. For those complex EJL formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. EJL files are job log files created by Epson printers and printing software for tracking print jobs in network printing environments. They contain print job records including timestamps, user identifiers, document names, page counts, and status information used by IT administrators for printer management and usage tracking. EJL files use Epson's proprietary log format, storing print job records in structured text or binary format with fields for job identifiers, user information, document, metadata, page counts, and completion status. The format integrates with Epson's network printing infrastructure and management tools for enterprise printer fleet management. Guaranteed access to EJL files is typically achieved using Epson Device Admin from Epson. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. Your essential first move is the file association test. Right-click the EJL file and choose Open With. If Epson Device Admin is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few. If your EJL file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, opening an Epson software. Install Epson printer management software, like Epson Device Admin or Epson Net Config, which handle EJL log files. Launch the management application and use the log import or view function to load the EJL file. The software displays print job records with full details and filtering options for usage analysis. Next, inspecting in text editor. Open EJL files in text editors like Notepad++ to check for readable log entries. Many EJL files use text-based formats with timestamps, job parameters, and user information visible directly. This enables quick log inspection for troubleshooting print issues without requiring full Epson management software installation. Finally, importing for analysis. Convert EJL log data to CSV format for analysis in Excel or specialized print management tools like Papercut or Printer Logic. Use Epson software export functions or manual parsing to extract structured data. The converted data enables advanced analysis of print usage patterns, cost, and user behavior across the printer fleet. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.